Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the left and on the right, we consider only this one. When we put number 1 on the left and on the right, 1 square plus 1, we have number 4. This one, we have number 4 in here. So we combine two of them, so we can got about this one in here, and that is about number 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.